Hi, how's everyone today? It's a cold one out there, huh? Brr. Alright, is everyone doing good today? Great, great. Alright, today guys we're going to talk about what it means to have a job, or what is a job. Now, all the time people are asked, what is your job? What is his job? What do you want your job to be when you are older? This is a very important question. It's very important that we understand what a job really is. Now, I want everyone to turn to page 14 in their workbooks. Alright, good. Is everyone there? Yes? Okay. Now, what we see here are 4 different people who have jobs. Alright? Now, what I want everyone to do is take a few seconds and match the number next to the correct job that each person has. Alright. Alright, good. Is everyone ready? Okay. Now, Ginny, which picture represents a teacher? Yes, picture 2. A doctor? Yes, picture 1. Number 3? Yes, a police officer. And number 4? Perfect. You guys did a great job. Now this is what we're going to be doing throughout the rest of this exercise, or throughout the rest of these activities, okay? Do any of you know anyone who has one of these jobs? Yes, I am a teacher. You're correct. That is my job. That is how I make money. All right? Does anyone know a doctor or a pilot? Yes, you've been to your doctor. Yes, okay, that's your doctor. Your doctor, that is his job. Perfect. All right, now everybody turn to page 15. We're going to do similar exercises with B and C. On B, we're going to talk about places. Places that people work, or places that people have a job. All right, so same thing we did with activity A. Let's everybody go and match the correct picture with the correct place of work, or the correct place that someone has a job. So in picture 1, we see that it's a hospital. All right, who works at a hospital? Yes, a doctor works at a hospital. Exactly. In picture 2, what do we see there? Yes, a police station. Perfect. And who works at a police station? Police officers. Exactly. Good job. Now, in picture 3, what do we see? Yes, an airport. Exactly. And in airports, who passes through airports? Yes. Yes, pilots pass through airports. Good job. Unless they're doing what? Yes, unless they're flying their airplanes, and then they're working in the airplane. All right, and number 4? Yes, it's a school. And who teaches in schools? Yes, I teach in school. Good job, guys. All right. Now, activity C, we're going to do the same thing. I'll give you all a few seconds to fill in which picture goes with the correct thing that these people are doing. All right. Start with picture 1. Now, to me, that looks like possibly a doctor. And what's he doing? Yes, the doctor is helping sick people. All right. In picture 2, what is this person doing? Looks pretty similar to what I'm doing right now. Yes, exactly. He's teaching students. A teacher teaches students. Okay, picture 3. Jenny, can you go ahead? Yes, it's a police officer and he's catching thieves. Good job. Now, can everyone repeat the word thief for me? I know it can be a difficult word to say. Thieves. Yes, okay, good job. Now in picture 4, what do we see? Yes, they're pilots. Good job. And what are they doing? They're flying planes. Perfect. Good. Alright, everyone's doing a great job. Let's keep going. Now, go to page 17, and then we'll start with this activity C. We're going to talk about where people work. Okay? So, just like the last 2 exercises, we're going to take A and B and place it in the correct question. Okay? Now, the answer is I work in a fire station. I am a firefighter. Okay? When I respond, I am a teacher, that means that someone is asking me what I am doing. So they would say, Barrett, where do you work? I respond by saying, I work in a school. I am a teacher. Alright, so everyone decide what you think goes with picture 1 and picture 2, and then we'll discuss it. Alright, is everyone ready? Alright, so I'm asking a question. Where does a cashier work? What's the correct response? Can you tell me, Johnny? Yes, she works in a supermarket, correct. Now, where do you work? Obviously it goes with picture 1. I work in a fire station. I am a firefighter. Good job. Alright, let's talk about you guys. What do you want to be? What do you want to be and where do you want to work? Alright, this is something people will ask you all throughout your life, especially when you're young. So let's go ahead and make sure we understand what these are saying, okay? So the first question, what do you want to be? How about you tell us, Ginny, when I ask you what do you want to be, would you respond with, yes, you would say, I want to be a, what would you want to be? You want to be a doctor? Okay, cool, awesome. Alright, and where do you, if you want to be a doctor and I were to say, where do you want to work, you would respond by saying, yes, you would say, I want to work in a hospital. Perfect, guys. Great job. All right, let's continue on. Turn to the next page. All right, what I want you all to do is look at this picture. All right, and I want you to write down a few words and expressions you think of while you're looking at the picture. Okay? Give you all a few seconds. Now remember, write anything you see. Okay? Alright, so let's answer a few questions and I want you all to share with your class some of the things that you've seen and also the response, what you think the correct response is to the questions. So first, everyone answer the questions. Okay? Alright, is everyone finished? Good job. Alright, so let's go through this in class together. What is his job? Does anyone know? Does anyone have any idea? Yes, perfect. He is a baker. Alright, and where does a baker work? Yes, in a bakery. And what does he do? Yes, he bakes bread. Perfect, guys. Good job. Alright, so now tell me some of the things you can see in the picture. Yes, you see bread. Yes, a man. Yes, you do see a man. Alright. Now what is that? What do you guys see on his hand right there? That's what we call a mitt. Does anyone know why he's wearing a mitt? Yes, because the bread is hot and he doesn't want to burn his hand. Alright, great guys. And what is he making in the picture? Does anyone know? What does a baker do? He bakes bread. So what is he making? Yes, he's making bread. Good job. Good job. Alright. Now, if everyone will just go down to page 19, we're going to look at this chart. Alright? I want everyone to get into groups of 2. Okay, put your desks together. Yes, perfect. Okay, now with your partner, discuss what this chart means. Discuss what each of the little pieces of pie and what the corresponding colors and numbers indicate. What do they mean, guys? Okay, is everyone finished? Have you guys all talked about it? Alright, now look at the percentages. What do you think those percentages mean? For example, 3% of students want to be teachers. Okay? Alright. Now, let's answer a couple questions. First, you guys write down your answers, and then I'm going to ask you, and you can share with the class, okay? Alright, which job choice is the most popular? Does anyone have any idea? No, a vet is not the most popular job. It was a good try, but see, vets have 5% of students wanting to be a vet, wanting to have a job as a vet. Okay, so 5% is much lower than 36%. So, which job choice is the most popular, do you guys think? Can anyone else help them out? Yes, okay. Do you see 30%, 6% of students want to be a pilot. So it's the most popular job. Alright, so since we know the most popular, what's the least popular? Yes, scientist is the least popular jobs desired by students at this age. Alright. Guys, I hope you understand the word job. Tomorrow we're going to take a little quiz, and you all can fill in blanks, so make sure you understand. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to walk around. We'll spend the rest of the class time talking about jobs, what we might want to do when we get older, and so on. Alright guys, bye-bye.